Wow, this is really something right here. So all the colors right there, you've got the rock formation right back there. Wow. Amazing little spot right here. So I was talking a little bit earlier about being rewarded. And that's certainly one of those places where you certainly feel it. Oh my God. If it wasn't so late in the day, I could spend hours right there. Just bring a little lunch, enjoy the view, just relax with nature. So it looks like there's another little nice section coming up here on my right. Pretty amazing. Ooh. See that? Look at that. Wow. Wasn't more than 25 feet away from me. So why do I love cycling? This experience right here. So I grew up in Eastern Ontario, and one of the great joys about growing up in Eastern Ontario is you're never all that far away from nature. Like, this has been my backyard all my life. And you know, you can go out for a walk and you can enjoy the beautiful colors like everything you're seeing right up here ahead. And that's really relaxing, it's wonderful. But when you're walking, you don't see all that much. Whereas cycling, it's just this nice middle ground. You're going fast enough that you get to experience everything, like everything we're seeing here, but you're not missing a whole bunch of stuff. I can see that there's like a lake or a river down to my left here, so we should be able to see that soon. Anyway, what I was talking about is you're not missing all that much, and you're able to experience a whole lot of things that you wouldn't experience if you were cycling or walking, or if you were driving. So if I was walking, chances are pretty good I wouldn't make it out this far in the trail. Wow, would you look at this? At least not, you know, late in the day like what we're doing here today. And, you know, cars aren't allowed out here, so you wouldn't get to experience this either. So it's, wow, this is just beautiful. All right, I'm gonna stop here after this tree and picture time. Oh my gosh, would you look at this, huh? Wow. I just absolutely love how calm that water is and all the reflections.